What's up, guys? Ken Jackson here at Ken Jackson's Fitness Factory, my personal training studio in Shelby Township, Michigan. Here with Jeff Saigo, shooting a little shoulder work today, minus my training partner Jay, but we got it done. Got 3, 4, 5 exercises in. Start off with what did we start off with? I just went through this. We started off with rear delt flies. John likes to start all of his shoulder workout with rear delt flies. Now I switched it up a little bit. John normally puts shoulders with chest. I decided this year that I was going to do shoulders individually because my chest which was a lagging body part, has come up tremendously, and I didn't want my shoulders to lag behind since my chest has caught up. So I do shoulders by themselves. So today we started off with rear delt flies. I did dumbbells, 4 sets of 20, and then at the end of my 4th set, I did like 15 or 20 partials to failure. From there, we moved on to single dumbbell lat raise. I like to do these individually because I get to focus on the delt, and I do it in 5 rep increments. So, the first couple sets I went to 20, then I went to 15, and then I stayed at 15. I supersetted it with down, over, and backs. Now, it doesn't look like anything when you're taking a band and you're going over a back, but just do it after a shoulder exercise. Make sure you're nice and warmed up, though, because you don't want to mess up your rotator. But it just continually drives blood into the shoulder, and your shoulders are going to burn nonstop the rest of the workout. Did 3 to 4 sets of that. Then we moved on to a movement that was introduced to me by John, by Mountain Dog, which is a cage press, which I've never done until I started working with John, which is basically kind of a standing shoulder press. And we take a standard Olympic 45-pound bar, and we press it against the cage. Now, it has to be continuously engaged with the cage. So it's an explosive movement. So went down to my chin, exploded up 10 reps, did 3 sets of that. And then we finished off with some front raises and a little bit of posing. Kind of did some. We haven't done any videos in a while, so you guys really haven't seen me. But this is kind of what my off season's been like. Made some kind of major improvements. Like I said, my chest, my back's come up. My legs have come up. So we have a little bit more time in this off season. We really haven't kind of nailed down the show right now. We're guessing sometime in August, but I've been working on trying to have another baby, and fortunately my wife's pregnant as of 4 or 5 weeks ago. So now it's time to go to work, time to pick a show and buckle down and start this prep. So many more videos to come. Watch out for videos at Elite FTS. Shout out to Dave Tate. If you guys see in the gym, I don't know if Jeff filmed some of the equipment. We got a lot of his equipment in here. So there's going to be some cool stuff going on in here. I'll be traveling down to see John on Monday. And as we get closer and closer, we'll do more and more videos. And John will be posting those videos on his website and also on social media. So hope you guys enjoyed the workout. You could catch me at all my social medias, my Ken Jackson's Fitness Factory page, my website, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all those I'm on. So thanks. Shout out to PJ and Aaron, Blackstone and Prime Nutrition, doing big things in the industry. Have a lot of great products coming out. My Intra MD. This is my secret weapon. Stuff's great if you guys haven't tried it by now. All my Blackstone products, all up there. I'm very happy with the company, very happy where it's moving. Also, you guys check me out. I started a Fit Foods company here in Michigan locally. So all you Michiganders, if you need your prepped meals or your diet meals prepared, look me up at www.fitfoodsrx.com. Thanks.